If you need to update your phone number on Instacart, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account information is current. This will help you receive notifications and updates related to your orders. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device. If you are using a web browser, go to the Instacart website and log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on the profile icon or the menu option in the app or website. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled personal information or account information. Click on this to access your contact details. Step 4. Edit phone number. Locate the phone number field and click on it to edit. Enter your new phone number carefully, ensuring there are no errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new phone number is saved to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Instacart will be updated. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages or notifications to verify the change was successful.